Good morning, everyone. Hope everybody's doing well. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you like to make money online, go ahead and hit that like button below. Also hit the subscribe button and the little bell notification so you get notified when I drop videos daily. Hey, if you want my #1 recommendation on how to earn at least $1,000 a day, please click the first link in the description. That's my #1 way. These are a little bit of side hustles. I like to give you guys value and easy ways to earn some money. But if you want to earn big money, click the first link in that description. Anyway, let's get on with it. So today we're going to be talking about Bankroll Bucks. It's a GPT site. You can do surveys, offers, watch videos, refer friends. You can do it all. The more people you refer and they sign up, the more money you could make. So I like to go to pay to click. You can click all these things. They're 0.5 bankrolls a piece. Doesn't seem like a lot, but they do add up. September bonus. Earn the most, paying 3 places. All offers count. September 1st through 4th, they're doing 5 extra bankrolls on qualifying offers. Daily surveys do not count. There's no limit. Offers over 25 bankrolls count. So you go and you do all these offers and you get your bankrolls. And bankrolls convert into cash. See here, I have 67 cents. I'm going to try to get up to $1 and cash out. I only use this site for $1 a day. Why? Because I have 15 different sites that I use to make money online. But the highest paying one is the first link in the description. Please click that link if you want to earn major cash, if you want to be able to leave your 9-to-5 job, if you want to live a life of freedom. But I always go to offers happening now, newest offers, top crediting offers. Those are good. Pay to click offers, offer walls. My link will be in the description. I do the surveys. I like your surveys the best. Tap research is good and theorem reach is good. Remember, guys, the minimum cash out for this site is $1, okay? And when you click these, it's gonna bring up a window like this, and it'll say, if you stay on this for 15 seconds, you'll be credited. You can sign up for Pocket Money GPT, okay, if you'd like. That's not what this video is about. I'm just showing you guys how to earn money. So then it tells you that you've been credited 0.05 bankrolls. You can exit out of that screen and you see that your 0.5 bankrolls will be in there. Now you have to at least have 1 bankroll to be able to convert it. I get on here, I do a survey, I do pay to click, I do tap research, I do theorem reach. My goal is $1 a day, $1, and then I'm off this site, okay? If you have 5 sites and you make $5, $1 on each site every day, what could you do with that money? Tell me, what could you do with that money? If you're giving people value and showing them things, then I like AdGate Media, then they'll sign up with you for your link. So if you want a bonus, be sure to click the link in my description for a bonus. If you save your coupons, you get 2.5 bankrolls. If you like to download apps, okay, you get $16 back because every 100 bankrolls is equal to $1. All right. So I want you guys to click the link in the description, sign up for Bankroll Bucks, get busy, make this money because it can happen. My #1 way to earn money will be the first link in the description. Bankroll Bucks will be the second link. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If there's a site that you'd like to see me do a video on, please let me know. Comment below. I love to hear my subscribers. I love to hear them, so be sure to do that, and I will talk to you guys in the next video.